The mics have become more modern than I am now. It happens sometimes. So I'm normally used to having a mic which comes on from here or from here. This is the first mic that comes on from the side. Amazing. Okay. My name is Roshan Abbas. Thank you so much for that introduction. I'm a multitasker. People ask me, what am I? And I keep saying, I'm a slasher. Right? I'm not a serial killer. And when I say slasher, I use the phrase slash because I genuinely, if you ask me, what's the one thing that I do? I don't know. I just do too many different things. I was a radio jock / TV anchor / film director / theatre producer / theatre director / writer / part-time singer / event manager / investor / I think I have to walk off stage by the end of it. But I'm only saying that not to get applause from you all. I'm saying that for two reasons. One is the fact that if your mind at a young age has 10 ideas in it, it's not wrong. Many times people will say, "10 चीजें छोड़ो, एक पे focus करो." Yeah, it happens. There's a set of people who are able to think of one thing at a time. There are a set of people who are not. I'm the kind of person who, while I'm doing one thing, the minute I have a gap of time in between, start thinking of 10 new things inside. Which is difficult sometimes. They call people who've got this obsessive compulsive disorder sometimes attention deficit. I don't have attention deficit. When I pay attention to something, I pay careful attention to it. The minute it loses my attention, I utilize my time to do something else. So my topic was called Rockstar. And I was like, yeah, you're asking a 44-year-old guy to come and be Rockstar. Very tough. Because the last guy who was Rockstar was Ranbir Kapoor in a film. So there's a comparison in need. So what should I do? So I kept thinking, they made my sleep so difficult because all of last year I was saying, so how do I make this topic make sense to what I've done in my life? It's great that people look at you at a particular thing. And suddenly I found an answer. And I said, if you break up this word has got two parts. One is rock and one is star. Right? Now it starts making sense to me suddenly because I have a favorite quotation which was in a Tom Peters book. Tom Peters is a good writer. He writes on lots of different things, he writes some crazy stuff. And in that he once wrote a line which said, "Be the rock of Gibraltar on rolling skates." Now, that might be difficult to understand, but what he's basically trying to say is, you must have your heart in the right place. You must have a sense of strength. You must have a sense of belief, of ethics, of ideas, and you should use those and constantly know where your heart is rooted. Know those things. But still be able to go on what we call roller skates. Because life is so strange and so fast-paced and it keeps changing so many times that you will constantly need to keep changing your path. It's very important for you. You've got to keep changing your path because today, it's not like the olden days. When I was growing up, you could only be a doctor or an engineer. If you didn't do that, maybe you would be asked to be an IAS officer. जब मैं क्लास 9th में था, मैंने फ्रॉग को काटा, उसके अंदर देखा, मैंने वो ताली नहीं जाता है. जो भी करो, जितने अच्छे तरीके से काटो, it doesn't applaud for you. And I suddenly started thinking that if I become a doctor one of these days, because that's what I was gearing to at that point in time, I said, ये ताली नहीं बजाएगा. कोई भी पेशेंट जो होगा बेचारा जिन्हें कुछ कर रहा होगा, उस समय ताली नहीं बजा सकता, बाद में बजाएगा. So, if you were so hungry for applause, because I was a performer always, I said, find the applause. Do things to find the applause. If that's what drives you. So, if today you are staring into a textbook and it's of no interest to you, if today you prefer being on stage than being in a lab, have the courage to go out and say it. I know it sounds very difficult. When I was in class 9, I looked inside this frog, as I was saying, and that same day I was very depressed. I said, yaar, jitna acha cheelo khalo, jo bhi kar lo, lekin it's not going to interest me. I enjoyed being on stage a lot more. So I went back home, and my parents had this ritual in Lucknow. I'm from Lucknow, and we would sit together and have chai in the evening. And my dad was sitting there, my mom was sitting there, they were making chai, and I walked up to them and I said, doctor, you actually need to. So my dad said, okay. And you know what happens sometimes? You build huge arguments believing के सामने से कुछ और आर्ग्यूमेंट आने वाला है ना? आप लोग जब लेट नाइट जाते हैं तो 10 एक्सक्यूज सोच जाते हैं, ये हो गया, टायर पंचर हो गया, वहां पे गाड़ी नहीं मिली, ऐसा नहीं हुआ, सोल्जर पिकअप ही नहीं करा, फोन नहीं चल रहा था, and you walk in and your parents say it's fine. How many of your parents say it's fine? Yeah. You got a good set of parents. They know the world is changing. It happens. Great, great. Give your parents a round of applause. You know, honestly, it's very difficult being a parent. I'm one today, and I will tell you. Yeah, it's working perfect. So what basically then starts happening, I must tell you, is that, you know, so I went up to my parents and I had this whole set of arguments. Yeah. But they turned and said, "Okay." Then my dad got up. How many of you know something called a passbook? Oh, wonderful. I thought with net banking, nobody knows what a passbook is. Passbook was the thing that in any government bank was the power that a person behind the counter had over you. आपकी पासबुक अपडेट करना, आप 10 लोगों की लाइन में खड़े होते थे, वो क्लर्क आपका भर के आपको वापस देता था, right? So my dad had this passbook and he came with this passbook and he said, "Beta, देखो, this is the money we have. My entire life savings by the time you are out of college is going to be this much. If you can figure out your career in this much, this is the room of play. This is the amount of space you have to play. इस पे जितना खेलना है खेलो. उसके बाद it's your life, your playground, your decision." You know, many people I've seen in today's generation, I've seen how quickly you all get low, depressed, worried, put off. You know, you're on an app for 5 days or 6 days, you're like, boring hai, aage बढ़ते हैं. You know, you follow on something, you don't finish assignments, you're like, oh, थोड़ा और effort लग रहा है. It's very important. It's very important for you to know at which point do you have a room to play. So if you really want to be a rock star, find out from your parents. Sit and have an honest conversation with parents and say, "So what have you planned? How much have you planned for me?" And today, you're a generation that can have that conversation. You can have that chat with your parents, right? Figure it out. Sit with them. The minute I realized that my parents have got this much money, which is all they had for my sister's marriage, for my college education, I realized that straight away, the minute I get into college, I have to find a way of earning money. So my first thing clear was, जो भी करना है, but I have to earn my way through that. So I went on to radio, and radio used to pay 250 rupees if you went on and did it. Many of you will think, what is 250 rupees? But you know, even today, 250 is a great recharge. You can live your whole life on it, SMSing each other or WhatsApping or doing whatever. Yeah, it's still a lot of money. Don't lose the value of money. People very quickly lose the value of money, saying, इतने से कम में तो होगा ही नहीं. Try तो करके देखो. Start करके देखो. Start from something as small. उसी रास्ते पर पॉइंट ए से पॉइंट बी जाने के लिए आप इस समय उबर भी ले सकते हैं, आप अपनी गाड़ी में भी जा सकते हैं, आप किसी से राइड हिच भी कर सकते हैं, आप रिक्शे में भी जा सकते हैं, आप बस में भी जा सकते हैं. The same distance of travel can cost you 5 different things. Don't let it block your mind saying that, "Oh, I can't go by hiring a cab, so I can't go." Don't give up. I used to go and stand in front of a senior officer and say, "Sir, can I get a slot? Can I get on radio?" I would be respectful, I would be nice, I would cajole, I would ask, I would plead, but I would get my slot. The 250 rupees mattered to me. That money made a big difference to me. और you know, छोटे शहर से लोग होते हैं, you all are blessed with the fact that I genuinely think that you have a lot more of a value system. Don't lose your value system. When I talk about the rock, that's what I mean. You can be a very solid rock if you know what is right and what is wrong. If you decide early, ये कर सकते हैं, ये करना allowed नहीं है. This is what my parents allow me to do, this is what they don't allow. You will always test the boundaries, but make sure that your foundation becomes as solid as a rock. Because it will keep being tested over and over. So I did radio because I needed to earn this kind of money. 250 रुपए कमाते कमाते महीने के उस जमाने में 1000-1500 रुपए बन जाते थे. I realized it was still not enough. And that irked me to say, what else can I do? And I found that there were television programs जिनमें भी voice दे सकते थे. So I used to go and find the opportunities to do voicing. If you go onto the internet today, you are a blessed generation. You are connected to 1 million opportunities online. You just don't search enough. Because you don't deep search. जिंदगी में superficial level पे चीजें मत करो. Deep dive into them. If you really want to go deep dive, look at page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, page 6, and you will find gold. अगर जमीन में सोना इतनी आसानी से मिलता तो उसकी अहमियत ही नहीं होती. सोने की अहमियत तब होती है जब आपको खोद खोद के इतने डीप जाके उसको ढूंढना पड़ता है। डू यू डू दैट व्हेन यू सर्चिंग फॉर समथिंग और व्हेन यू लुकिंग स्टडिंग अब्रॉड? पेज 1, 5 स्पॉन्सर्ड लिंक, पापा यहां जाना है। Because on page 6 there might be free studying abroad. Have you thought of that? If you believe, I heard somebody before this saying, how do you get connected to an opportunity while you're sitting here? If you look for an opportunity, you will find it. It is available. It is there. You're a blessed generation because the internet links your potential to opportunity. And somebody asked a person who was a great actor and said, "यार तुम बड़े lucky हो यार, तुम बड़े roles मिलते हैं." He says, हाँ यार मैं इतना ट्राई करता हूं, जितना मैं ट्राई करता हूं उतना मेरा लक बढ़ता जाता है। This is a very easy excuse. You are lucky. You are blessed. No. You make the effort, you push, and that's why it happens. I did a lot of radio. I moved on to doing theatre. How many of you ever acted in a school play? Huh? How many of you have hated it? Honestly, huh? Good. Some honest bunch of people, good. Yeah? I go nowadays to multiple schools to judge these things, and I promise you, I see children coming on stage and they'll come, they'll perform. The quality of what I see has genuinely gone down. When I speak to the teachers and I ask them, क्या हुआ? जैसे इतनी और इनके इन्फ्लुएंसेस हैं, इतनी चीजें और करते हैं, बेचारों को इतना टाइम मिल जाता है, रिहर्सल ही कर लेते हैं, बहुत बड़ी बात है, लाइन ही याद कर लेते हैं, बहुत बड़ी बात है। Do you think Amitabh Bachchan became what he did because वो सिर्फ लाइन ही याद करते थे? No. He would go and rehearse in front of a mirror over and over till he could imbibe what he knew. And I promise you guys, I was in Hindu college in Delhi. I had to travel 15 kilometers to go and be part of a theatre group called Stage Door, जो कि दिल्ली का सबसे 2 बड़े theatre groups थे, उनमें से एक था। वहाँ पहुँचने के लिए मुझे 2 बस चेंज करनी पड़ती थी। एक 220, एक 770, मुझे नंबर नहीं भूलते कभी। राइट? कभी कभार अगर आप एक कनेक्शन मिस करते थे तो एक बस से दूसरे बस के बीच में 20-15 मिनट बैठना पड़ता था वहां पे, कुछ नहीं होता था। You just get sitting at how bored you all will get in 30 seconds if and I keep saying this, even we get so, the internet's not working. 20 minutes is sitting by yourself at a bus stop doing nothing. Yeah? You need some time by yourself. And I swear to you, I used to go every day. And let me tell you that the first play I did, I had a one-line role. I used to travel 15 kilometers every day, rehearse for a one-line role for 2 months. Because my theatre director used to say there are no small roles, only small actors. He says you can make the impact in one line. You can make the impact in one line जो कि हजारों लाइनों में नहीं होता है। कितनी फिल्में आती हैं जिसमें एक छोटा सा रोल कोई जो अदा कर रहा होता है, वो जब आता है आप उसको देख के कहते हैं वाह इसने क्या काम किया, बिकॉज उसने अपनी पूरी जी जान लगा दी होती है in those 5 lines in that movie or in that play or anything. When you are given the opportunity, theatre teaches you one thing, and I can tell you, and I keep saying this wherever I go. If you want to be a great pitch expert, if you want to pitch a car dekho or a Oyo or anything else, get on stage. The more you can get on stage, the more you get the opportunity to pitch. Right? You get the chance to get up on stage and speak to an audience. You lose the fear of people. हिंदुस्तानियों में बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है। मैं बहुत सारी कंपनीज में आजकल अभी इन्वेस्ट करता हूँ with a group of people. When we see foreign companies, they come and they are so sharp and suave. What I'm going to pitch you is going to change your life. It's going to do the following things. Blah blah blah. ठीक है? प्रोडक्ट हम कहते हैं ना 4 आने की मुर्गी 75 पैसे का मसाला। इंडियन 75 पैसे की मुर्गी मसाला है। सर, I have product. Please demo. Thank you. We are so quick to give up on ourselves. I like the fact that Mr. Modi is going out there and actually standing on things and saying, we will do it. We will, if nothing else, I'm not talking about policies. I'm just talking about he's making public speaking something come back to India. If nothing else, learn that. Learn to have a voice which is your own. Theatre taught me to have my own voice. It gave me the discipline to stand on stage. And I'm pretending, I have been in a play where a set has fallen on my set, nearly on my head. Nearly on my head. Don't clap, I didn't die. I was really excited that I didn't die. He's so happy. this is not my ghost. It's okay. It's okay. At your age, I'm telling you, the attention span issues are huge. So I could try to. Yeah. So I did theatre. While I was doing theatre, one day Siddharth Basu was sitting in the audience and he came up to me. Siddharth Basu used to do a show called Quiz Time. And he came to me and he said, "Why don't you come and audition for a TV program? When you take the opportunity, जो छोटी होती है, बड़ी opportunity का दरवाजा खुल जाता है, हो जाता है. Try it. I'll keep telling you, keep pushing that door, keep pushing that door. It's very important. When you keep pushing at a door hard enough, it opens." So from there I got into doing television. Because while I didn't pass that audition, and don't lose hope, in our line of work we do 100 auditions. We are told we are bad every day. One of my friends who's a big actor, one day asked me, I said, actors, you're a little full of yourself. He said, यार दिन में ना हमारे ईगो में इतने छेद पंचर किए जाते हैं ऑडिशंस में कि सुबह उठ के कहना पड़ता है you're the best. अपने आप को विलन में बोलना पड़ता है. और फिर दिन भर कर देता है कि नाक टेढ़ी है, बाल नहीं है, ये नहीं है, बहुत कुछ होता है. It's crazy. So all that happened. I got on to doing television as I passed out from my master's in mass communication. Any knowledge of any sort is great. My phone, I always talk about this, my phone's memory is not filled just with songs and jokes and pictures, it's filled with information. I try and spend an hour every day to capture new information of any kind. It could be a website, it could be a line, it could be a share, it could be a link to something, anything, all of these things. But that's how you build that foundation, keep making it stronger. So I did that. I got onto television, I started doing multiple shows, and this is where the multitasking part comes in, which is when you do 10 things, there is always a chance that एक पे focus हट जाता है. जो छोटी चीज होती है उससे focus हट जाता है, बड़ी चीज की तरफ focus आ जाता है. I would try my level best. I'm a good time manager. All your phones have got a calendar that you only use to see किसकी birthday या छुट्टी कब है, right? Try and use if you divide your day into day parts, you will find, so I use the first hour of the day or 2 hours of the day for myself. My kids leave for school, they leave at 7 to 9, nobody else wakes up in my house, it's a Shamshan Ghat, I sit there for 2 hours and I just go online, I read, I write, I put everything down. My time for myself is over. I then get down to looking at all the emails I've got. I spend about an hour with my emails, I finish them off at 1 go. Then I get down to all my meetings that I need to do. I always try and keep my meetings around places where I have to meet other people. So I do a meeting, and if I even have to use lunch or coffee, I use it to meet people. And then I finish that off and I come back home, and I'm always try my best to be home by 5:36, 4:35 because my kids come back. I spend 2 hours with them, and I'm done. And then again, I go back, I get into the gym because if you saw chat pictures of me 2 years back, I did look like this. I was twice my size. So many people turn and say, Roshan to aage Abbas ka hai. But I did that because I just focused and I said, karna hai, I have to lose the weight. So I go to the gym. I spend that time, that hour. And then I come back and yes, 4 times a week I cook. I love to cook because I find it very creative. Creative people find cooking interesting, You're building new things, creating new things. So I do all of that even today. Divide your day into day parts if you can. It's a great thing to do. थोड़ा सा discipline कर लो जिंदगी को, बाहर जितनी खुराफात करनी करो, अंदर discipline ढूंढो. That's fine, you can do it. You will still find that possibility. I did television, I did all of this. And suddenly I realized that all my dreams I can't fulfill myself. You're at the age where you believe that you can do everything. Right? Don't you believe you can do everything? Yeah, you should. You should believe in yourself. Believe that you can do everything. You will reach a point in time when you will suddenly say, hang on, अकेले नहीं हो सकता, I need to find other people. That's when you start looking for partners. That's when you start looking for people who will join you on a journey. And that's when your role changes from being a doer to being either a deliverer or a person who finds the doers. You become the ambassador of goodwill. You become the ambassador of the team. You become a lighthouse. You're not the ship anymore. First you're the ship. You're the engine, you're the ship, you're driving towards the path. But then at some point turn and say, अब मैं ship नहीं बन सकता हूँ, I need to find other people. And I will just be the beacon. I will try and just be the lighthouse. And that's important. And that's how I set up Encompass. Because I said, if I want to set up a big event company and I want to change things, I need to find other people. Our first 6 employees, none of them, there was nothing called event management, so there was no training in event management. There was no course in event management. We found people who were friends. I think our 3rd employee we found at a pawn shop. Yeah, we went to a pawn shop, you know, and my partner used to have a little bit of masala. So I was like, क्या कर रहे हैं? Whatever. He was having that. There was one of the guys standing there. He looked like a nice guy. You know, conversation strike करा, 2 minute बात करी. क्या कर रहे हो? I just finished college. I don't know what I want to do. What have you done in the past? I like being on stage. I like people. I like interacting with things. I'm good with technology. Why don't you come and be a part of what we do? Find people, look for them. You will find partners. You know, I met the Oyo guy and he was talking to me about how, he says, you know, people think my company is almost like a surrogate Kharagpur, IIT Kharagpur. Because he found his partners there. So all लोग मिले वहाँ पे, ऐसी जगहों पे मिलते हैं. Right now, if you have an idea, find people who believe in you. Find people who will partner with you. My son is 13. He's already, I'm setting up a gaming company. These are my 2 classmates from my partners. He may change, but I just like the fact that he's already thought about it. He's thinking about it. So all this is done. I finish all of this, but I still have a whole set of dreams. Because what I told you, and what I missed out on earlier was, rockstar word में 2 पार्ट है. एक है rock, ठीक है? जिस पे I keep going back to saying, find your inner strength, be strong, have your ethics, have your values, have your beliefs. The second is star. And that doesn't mean just shine like a star. It means early on in life, find the star you want to follow. बनना क्या है? Final goal क्या है? And goals change. But it's good early in life to find a final goal and say, that's where I'm headed. That is my long-term goal. The school I was from, Lamatnia in Lucknow, has a tradition of writing your name on the steps if you've spent 12 years there. I didn't write my name. And then I was asked saying, why aren't you writing your name? I don't know why I said it. Now it sounds a little cocky and a little, you know, whatever when I said it in those times. But I said, you know, I'll write my name on these steps and everybody who reads it knows who it is. I was in school. I don't even know why I said it, but I said it. And I genuinely believe it. So every day, I use every opportunity to fulfill that belief. In whatever way. They don't need to know me as, you know, इन्होंने ये किया. They just need to have connected with me in some way. People say, what is your new role in life? I say, my role is simple. I connect people to possibilities. Because I've done what I had to do as a person. I'm still directing. I've written a second film. I'm just about to start on it at the end of the year. All that is happening, but that's one part of it. Encompass built into an agency because we were solid as a rock. Event management में बहुत घपले होते हैं. Event management एक ऐसी चीज होती है जिसमें कि there are many hidden things that happen. I remember very early in our career we got a call from one official in a very high level place saying आके मिलिए, साथ में मिलके कुछ कर सकते हैं. I realized that there was something wrong. When you go to bed at night, if you go to bed with a clear conscience and maybe an empty bank account, it's a better place to be. I know it sounds very difficult, but if you have a clear conscience, right? And at that time you might have an empty bank account, it's fine, but if you have a loaded conscience with saying, रात को किसी ने खटखटाया तो कौन हो सकता है, इनकम टैक्स का हो सकता है, पुलिस का हो सकता है, कौन होगा, who can it be? I chose that path, and when we chose the path for our company in 2008, an American company, the world's largest advertising group, was looking to partner with an Indian company, and when they looked around, they said, this is a really clean company, इनके accounts बड़े clean हैं, इनके बारे में जो लिखा जाता है, अच्छा लिखा जाता है, इनके audited accounts, when people didn't even declare their net worth and pay tax, we were doing it every year. Saying नहीं यार, जो बनाओ, ऐसा बनाओ, कि जो देखे उसको कह सकता है कि हाँ ये एक अच्छी, साफ सुथरी, well maintained, well run company. And you know what happened? They said this is a great company, we want to invest in them, they invested in us. Today, I can assure you that in the country, we would be, in the corporate event business, I'm absolutely certain we are the single largest agency. If you look at the overall event business, because we don't do social events, we don't do weddings, we don't do a couple of these big award shows now, we may not be that large. But we are still in our business the largest, the single biggest, and we're happy about it. Because somebody partnered because we have a solid as a rock. That was the one part of it. जब आप अपनी company बेचते हैं, many of these people who are on stage who you heard, they will all have made big money. Right? They've all made big money or whatever, etc. But when you make money, what you do with your money is the next step. लोगों की सच्चाई लाइफ में 2 टाइप पे नजर आती है. जब उनके पास बहुत कम होता है, जब उनके पास बहुत ज्यादा होता है. जब बहुत कम होता है तो आदमी डेस्परेशन में रिएक्ट करता है. जब बहुत ज्यादा होता है तो आदमी ईगो में रिएक्ट करता है. मैंने नोटिस किया. when you have too little or too much. When you have a lot, what do you do with it? You know, I had 4 investment bankers who came to me and said, sir, इसको offshore में ऐसे कर सकते हैं. अरे करना ही नहीं है. सर पैसे बचेंगे. सर बच के क्या होगा? कभी ना कभी कहीं ना कहीं तो कोई दिमाग में टेंशन होगी ना कि यार कुछ गड़बड़ हो सकता है. So you know what we did? We paid all the taxes on the money and we were absolutely happy. We made lots of money. We made 30% less. So what? I never imagined that you would make some millions of dollars. It just happened. When the money came in, the first thing I did was I said, okay, are there any loans in the family? Typical middle class. You know, कोई loan तो नहीं है. हाँ, जो loan है वो खत्म कर दो. Cleaned up all the loans. Invested a little bit of money for the children, and I said, now everything else I have is money to make those unfulfilled dreams that I still have fulfilled through someone else. Don't try and do everything yourself. जब हिंदी फिल्म का एक्टर लिखता भी है, गाता भी है, एक्ट भी करता है, थोड़ा टेंशन हो जाती है मुझे. क्या जो अच्छा है वो करो, या सब चीज में अच्छे होना चाहते हो? Find other people. And that's what I did. So I run today a digital agency called The Glitch. Have a look at it. It's a fun place. It's called theglitch.in. They're a great social media plus content agency.
That is amazing.
Thank you. These guys are 2 guys who I met when I was making my film. Okay? Yes, I made a film. Yes, I made a film that didn't do well. It's important to know that. बहुत लोग झूठ बोलते हैं. You know, I just realized that the journey started at one place, ended somewhere else, and I said, दूसरी जगह बनाऊंगा, तो ऐसा नहीं बनाऊंगा. आगे बढ़ो. Forget, learn and move on. These are your mistakes. This is where you went wrong. Move on. Learn, move on. Don't learn and keep lying to yourself. मैंने तो एक फिल्म बनाई जो कि इंटीरियर्स और राजस्थान में बहुत चली थी. ऐसे लोग चीजें बोलते हैं. You know, भोपाल के एक सेगमेंट में लोगों को बहुत अच्छी लगी थी. It's a mass medium. Did it work with the mass? If it doesn't work, move on. I moved on. But you know what happened? When I finished the film, I had no money left. It wasn't my money. I was very keen that my producers don't lose money. Film के titles नहीं बने थे. We went to the title sequence. The guy made something very simple. I said, बहुत बुरा है. बिल्कुल अच्छा लगेगा. कौन बनाएगा? 2 boys had just done a graphic design project for Encompass. I looked at the project. I saw what they'd done. And I said, my God, these guys are fabulous. Who are these 2 boys? Varun Dugirala, Rohit Raj, one worked with MTV, one worked with Channel V, had quit and started their own company called The Glitch. Came in, met me, and I said, do you want to make titles for a film? They were like, how cool. Imagine somebody walks up to you and says, make the titles of a film. They were like, you always wanted to do this, मैं पता नहीं था हो सकता है, हाँ करेंगे. I said, I have no money. I said, I can through the year then pay you in lunches, dinners, and some advice. They were like, it's good. मजा आएगा. उन्होंने 5 दिन में वो टाइटल्स बना दे जो कि पूरा रिलायंस का स्टूडियो कह रहा था 2 हफ्ते लगेंगे, इतने लाख लगेंगे. The beauty of you guys is that with that device in your mind, you can make anything come true if you want. And that's what they did. And I was amazed 5 days later when film के titles ready थे. 6ठे दिन पर they were spending some time with me, then they came home, then they said, हमारी कंपनी में ऐसा हो रहा है. I said, अच्छा ऐसा हो रहा है तो ऐसे कर सकते हो. अच्छा, after a month they came and said, oh we stuck at this point. I said, why don't you do this? 3 months later, they both came looking very serious. I said, they came and said, so listen, we keep coming to you for advice and we think you've given us enough advice for the money that you would have paid us for the titles. I said, okay. He said, we want your advice even more now. I said, why? He said, no, we feel that you know how to help us because we're a small company with 20 people. You know how to run something which is about 250, 300 people now. Help us grow into that. I said, I'd love to. And they said, I tell you what, why don't you become a partner in the company? Today, there are people who I meet who turn and say, how did you find the opportunity? How did you get to invest in them? I said, I didn't find the opportunity. The opportunity found me because I was open enough to keep looking for it. Opportunities will find you. Don't think of your profit first. A rock star plays a song not for money. देखिए फिल्म Rockstar? वो क्या बोलता है उसको? He says, you know, you've got to be connected with yourself. वो तो दर्द की बात करता है और प्यार की बहुत बात करता है. मुझे इम्तियाज is like that, very Sufi, great guy. But that's what happens, you know. So, but I really felt that in Rockstar, what he kept saying is, your heart beats to a band whose tune you listen to. You don't play. A rockstar doesn't play saying कि पैसे मिल जाएंगे, एक और गाना बजाने को मिल जाएगा. नहीं, वो बजाता है इसलिए क्योंकि उसको लगता है कि he's connected at that moment with people. And genuinely, I feel connected with people. Whenever I meet them, I try my. There are times my wife says, "Why do you go out of your way to do this? You could spend that time with us." I said, "But you know, I spend time with you all but I also like spending time with other people. I like being the bridge for people, between people and possibilities in any way I can. I'm not thinking of profit first. I have made, with the grace of God, a lot of money, but it doesn't make me any difference. Yesterday, and I want to tell you this thing because I missed a flight. So I was telling them a story. Nobody believed the story yesterday. I had a ministry meeting. I left from Gurgaon, well in time, only to realize that such a bad traffic jam because of Prime Minister's movement in Connaught Place that मैं पहुंच नहीं सकता हूं to इंदिरा गांधी स्टेडियम. मैं अपनी गाड़ी से उतरा, मैंने अपने ड्राइवर का मेट्रो कार्ड लिया, मैं मेट्रो के अंदर घुसा. मैं मेट्रो से प्रगति मैदान पे उतरा. बाहर जैम था. मैंने 1 किलोमीटर पैदल वॉक किया. गूगल ऑन करके मैं रास्ता देख रहा था कि किधर है आईटी स्टेडियम. 1 किलोमीटर के बाद आई रियलाइज अभी भी 1.5 किलोमीटर बाकी है. आई विल नॉट मेक द मीटिंग ऑन टाइम. There was, I asked people to hitch a ride. A traffic cop stopped. I said, sir, मुझे IT स्टेडियम छोड़ देंगे. चलान लगेगा. I said, क्या? 100 रुपये चलान लगेगा. I said, sir, बिठा लो, देखते हैं. I genuinely thought he was asking money. He was joking. He dropped me at IG stadium and he said, आजकल ऐसे लोग मिलते कम ही हैं. So I said, नहीं sir, आप जैसे लोग तो बिल्कुल नहीं मिलते. It was amazing. And I entered the stadium. Right? I got to my meeting. If I had sat in the AC car and said, oh my God, I won't get to the meeting because I tried. I didn't try. Bullshit, I tried. I tried. This was trying. And I'm doing this today, boss. Yeah? On the way back, I was constantly in touch with these two guys saying, I'm going to miss my flight, I'm going to miss my flight, what do I do? And I get so guilty about these things. My secretary is calling there and I'm like, don't trouble them, I'll figure my own way. यही करा. फिर से मेट्रो में बैठा, वो इंदिरा, you know, that airport train, वो airport वाली train ली, वहाँ पे उतरा, got in, realized that my ticket had been cancelled because it was an expensive ticket which needed to be cancelled at a particular time. Got cancelled, absolutely fine. They done their job. Suddenly I stood there and I said, oh God, now what do I do? Okay, Indigo booked, they booked the ticket. I immediately switched. Did I suddenly crib and say, but you know, I was traveling on jet today. Tomorrow morning maybe I'll come. Bullshit यार. पहुंचो ना, पहुंचना जरूरी है. अहमियत इन चीजों में होती है, फर्क नहीं पड़ता. And genuinely it makes a difference. I landed last night and had a lovely dinner where I met 5 new people, learned 5 new things, spent a lovely morning with people, met the Oyo founder, went and did a lovely lunch and met new people. ये सब नहीं होता अगर मैंने ये सब चीजें नहीं करी. तो इसीलिए remember that whatever tune you want to play, be truthful to that tune. I actually at first planned this differently, but the sound guy was there and I was here, so I dropped the idea of what I was going to do. But there's a session which I once did, which is called the playlist of my life. And I took 10 songs and I said, these 10 songs identify my life. Yeah, and I was playing those songs and talking throughout. So I couldn't do it, I was planning to do that first. Also remember, if you're a rock star, if you're a performer on stage, you must be able to adapt. So I came saying I'll do that, I realized I can't do that, and I continue doing what I am right now. But in that list of songs, I'll tell you one thing, how many of you have a playlist of songs in your phones, etc.? Yeah? जिंदगी में नोटिस करना 3 किस्म के गाने आते हैं. सबसे ज्यादा होते हैं प्यार के गाने. He left me, I'm hurt, I love you forever, right? क्योंकि तुम ही हो. Yeah? Maximum songs, because half our life, what are we? मैंने आज सुबह एक चीज लिखी थी. Last night I said it and I put it on Twitter today and it just kept on. I said, face और face मिलने की भूख Facebook नहीं मिटा सकता. I wrote it because I don't know why. I was just thinking about it, saying, I'm just happy. I could do this on a Twitter forum, but just meeting you, seeing your faces, seeing the light up, your eyes light up, etc. That's what a performer wants. So one set of songs that I said is about this, Dil Ka Dil connection banane wala. One. Second are songs of celebration, yeah? Dancing. Throw caution to the wind, baby doll, happy, blue hai pani, nani, gani, everything. Yeah? Actually, so, right? Then there is the third set, which is the most important set. You'll find that there will be some songs in your playlist that you keep going back to because they have a deeper meaning. Yeah? I have a set of songs. I have Billy Joel के 2 गाने मेरे पास. एक है Honesty or it's called I'm the Entertainer. I love both these songs because one talks about one part of my life and one talks about another part of my life. And so in your playlist, find ये सारे गाने हटा दो, दिल के प्रॉब्लम तो जिंदगी भर चलते रहेंगे, ठीक है, एक तरफ मस्ती मजाक का टाइम हमेशा आता रहेगा, उसके बाद कोई गाने मिलेंगे. There was a song that came out a few years back. Shan is a very dear friend of mine. Whenever we go ऐसे वे दो लाइनें गाते हैं उसकी, whatever. Remember that? बहती हवा सा था वो, उड़ती पतंग सा था वो, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो. Right? So there was that lovely song, lovely song. And if you look at that song, whenever I hear that song, I feel a very deep connection to that song. Because genuinely, I feel that maybe that's a part of me. That's what I am. That's the kind of rock star I would want to be. You know, that's the kind of person I am. That who didn't follow the oft-repeated path. Rock stars become rock stars, my final point, because they play a different tune, they know the different song, and that's the song you resonate with. So find your own tune, find the star you want to follow, be the rock within that you can, and then by God's grace and your parents' love and everyone else around you, you will be a rock star. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Roshan, for a very inspiring session and giving a very deep insight of how you can become a rock star and how you are as a rock star and how you made it yesterday evening by compromising on the jet lag flight. Yeah. So, moving on, I'll just open for the audience to ask questions to Roshan.
Questions? Go ahead, Pushil. Thank you. Yeah.
So my question is, like, people talk about following your passion and thinking what you like to do the best. There are times when you don't feel like you don't want to do the things you're forced to do, and you want to think upon what you like to do, and you're not getting any answer. So how to find what you like to do?
Okay. Very often, the first part of your choice is your parents, right? Mostly. I have gone and done a lot of creative sessions where I've told parents that all your when you ask your child to become X or Y or Z, you're not wanting to pre-decide the career. You're actually saying, ये safe है, ये safe है, ये safe है. इन तीनों में मुझे मालूम है कि इसकी जिंदगी चल जाएगी. What you need to do to answer that question is actually to find the other careers, and I'll again tell you, आज अगर आप जाते हो, this is the time in your life when you can try out 10 different things. जितनी hobbies हैं, उनको follow कर लो, because hobbies today are the biggest professions in the world. जिसको लिखना आता है, वो लिख के पैसे बना रहा है, जिसको गाना आता है, वो ऐसे बना रहा है, जो sketch कर सकता है, वो games बना रहा है, जो code कर सकता है. So there are, but don't try them all out. You know, failure is the biggest teacher. Don't get scared. Unfortunately, in the Indian system, failing is a big problem. So इसलिए treat them at a hobby level. And honestly, find some time. Somebody told me that day, I wish I could go and do an MBA abroad. I said, you can do an MBA online. There's a website called Future Learn. Take these 3 websites I'll tell you now. Future Learn offers free courses. They are fully free. They're not more than 3 months. I did 2 courses last year. 1, managing people better. B, how to understand branding. I've never done an MBA. And I keep telling people things about brands. I went there, 3 महीने का course करने के बाद वो कहते हैं, only if you finish 80% of the course they will give you a certificate, for which they charge you if you want the certificate. If you don't want the certificate, it's fully free. तो कहाँ है खर्चा? Coursera, C-O-U-R-S-E-R-A. Coursera offers you a different kind of, courses, far more creative courses. How to learn to make better PowerPoint. Somebody will teach you what is social media management. They charge, but honestly, the charge for these is $5 a month. 300 रुपए. जितना एक बुरी फिल्म देखने में भी नहीं लगती. So, why can we not invest some money in things like this? That's the second. There's a third one called Udemy, which is like a university, academy ka mixed word, Udemy. Same kind of thing. But if you go online and say courses in anything, I met a friend yesterday who's in the foreign service, very senior in the government. I wouldn't take his name. So I told him, I said, are you still listening to Grateful Dead and Bob Dylan? He says, "Yeah, I'm not just listening to Grateful Dead and Bob Dylan. मैं YouTube से गिटार lessons ले रहा हूँ to learn the songs. अगली बार आएगा तो सुनाऊंगा मैं." It is available. ढूंढ लो पहले. Find them. Don't try and carry जयपुर में नहीं है. जयपुर में नहीं है यार. It's in on the internet. Go and find it. And if you can't find it at any time, if you guys need help, I'm absolutely accessible, guys, and I'm very happy to connect you with anything from the creative fields because I know most about it. My Twitter handle is Roshan Abbas, ROSHANABBAS. That's it. I'm on Twitter. You know, if you want to then, once you send me something, if I can answer it there, great. If I can't, I will give you my email on a DM and you can connect with me. I'm absolutely okay to connect with anyone on these things. Yeah. How
Next
about
question. Yeah, at the back.
Hi Roshan, myself Harsha Karnaka.
Yeah.
I have no such question. The only one thing I want to convey is that thank you so much for coming here. Your session is highly enlightened and I'm truly inspired. Thank you so much for coming here.
Thank you very much. And you know, I come here just for that reason, that I genuinely feel I was like you all one day sitting in Lucknow when there were no auditoriums to speak or whatever. So it's just that. Thank you.
I'm glad I come to chat because of you. Thank you so much.
So one thing which I would like to say, I could have asked the question backstage also, but I have a habit of forgetting things easily. So my question is that in the last season of Chat, I was highly inspired by you, but this year the level of inspiration has beefed up really very much. My question is, I'm a singer, I don't really get time to sing. I have a guitar also, I don't really have time to play it in fact. And I'm working somewhere, I'm an event manager also. So actually I'm really very confused at how should I manage all the things in a single day.
Again, singing and guitar, if you want to learn, see, these are things, singing to agar aapke paas basic awaaz achhi hai, that's one thing. Here it's about riyaz, right? As they say, you need to learn, you need to riyaz karna padta hai. So each of these can be 15. I'll tell you one more thing. मैं अपनी गाड़ी तक का टाइम नहीं छोड़ता यार. अगर मैं गाड़ी में जा रहा होता ना, मैं हेडफोन लगा के ऑडियो बुक सुनता रहता हूँ. मैं कुछ ना, I try and maximize my time as much as I can. So to say that you won't find 15 minutes to do this in a day, I find difficult. So you must, don't try and say मुझे घंटा चाहिए. 15 मिनट से शुरू करो. कहते हैं कि अगर आप एक चीज को 20-25 बार लगातार करते हैं, there was a thing that said it takes about, I forget how many days to form a habit, but 21, yeah, so there's a book. But I think it takes a little bit more because of the attention deficit we have. But if you keep doing it now, you will find that time, use travel time. You know, there are people I know who use bathroom time. They actually do. Time मिल जाता है. तो इसलिए don't use this excuse. ये हम फंस जाते हैं इसमें. Also very quickly we'll find out ये hobby है, ये passion है, ये profession है. तीनों में अलग level की commitment चाहिए. Hobby है 2 दिन कर लिया चलेगा. Passion है करता रहूँगा, जूझता रहूँगा. Profession है तो करना ही है. So figure it out. So if you feel that people appreciate your singing, and appreciating singing is not that your family turns a bada chaga. That's our other problem. People in India don't very often turn and say that you're bad at something. If someone's not good, I tell them very honestly, you're not good at it. Go and do something else. You know, it's fine. But हम लोग बड़े उसमें जाते हैं, बहुत अच्छा है बेटा, बहुत अच्छा, super. You know.
I agree.
I must tell you this story because it's a joke I have to tell you. So one of my friends is a very big film director, Kabir Khan. I'll tell you this. Kabir is a very big film director. When he made Kabul Express, I was with him at the premiere. So he's standing after the film, face really. I said, क्या हो गया? He says, यार ये film बड़ा गड़बड़ हो गई. He says, क्यों? He says, जो भी पूछ रहा हूँ कैसी हो, कहता है God bless, God bless. He says, ये भी तो God bless क्योंकि बुतरी बुरी करी है भगवान ही बचाएगा. या God bless क्योंकि इतनी अच्छी है. He had no idea. So he said, you know, people find these ways of not giving answers. So get people to tell you. Send your demo to one or two people if you want. Recording a demo also, 100 karaoke, YouTubes, pick it up, record it on something else, send it to 10 people. Send it to me, I'll tell you.
Yeah, I'll just sing backstage then.
Great, do that.
Sure.
On the way to the airport.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Thank you so much.
Sure. There was someone at the back.
That side. Yeah, that's back.
Yeah. Sorry, which side? Somebody's got a mic and I heard. You were telling. Sorry. उनसे ही पूछ लेते दोनों से. We'll ask him and her.
Somewhere in the like what you said do things to find applause. For that, I would like to ask you one thing. Can we not start doing things first which give us self-applause first? Because I think self-applause could be the greatest applause we can have for oneself. and then maybe after failures we get applause of the public.
Okay, so just to tell you, see, applause is something that comes from many people. A clap is one person, applause is a group. So self के अंदर से एक clap आएगी, applause नहीं आ सकती. I'm being semantically, I'm playing with words. I'm doing it for a reason because see, most people when you do something, I find it बड़े कम लोग होते हैं जो कि अपने आप की चीज को सुन के उसको सराहते नहीं हैं. They don't say it's good. So I feel that internally you will always applaud for what you do. But you need to find other people because applause is an appreciation for what you've done. Personally, तो जो करते हो उसपे, I'm sure that you yourself, अगर अंदर से ग्लानि हो रही है, अंदर से आपको कोई गिला शिकवा हो रहा है, you're feeling bad that you're doing something. So that's why I'm a little confused by what you said. So I'm saying yes, of course, follow your own voice first. You know, be convinced yourself, then go and convince other people. But you must be convinced yourself for sure if that's what you're saying, right? It's very important. So it's very, very important. मतलब, if your question is कि भेड़ चाल में ताली के लिए कहीं नहीं चले जाओ.
Exactly.
Don't do that. That's why I said, you know, first find what your ethics are. Find the rock. Find from within what your belief is. Then find the applause later. So don't immediately. So I'm saying, I keep looking for applause because I found मुझे ये नहीं करना, ये करना है. And in this thing, it's a public medium, so I'm seeking applause. But you're absolutely right. First find your own song, your own voice. Internally be happy with it. Don't do it because mummy says become Miss India because you'll walk the ramp. No. If you believe that you are beautiful internally, that's it. Start from there. So completely agree with that.
Thank you.
Sorry. the
Last question, that's it, yeah. At the back, that's it.
There are so many, there are times when your dreams and
Take mic.
you're working on some goal and you're doing something and your frequency fades away. What we need to do at that time, because there are so many boundaries around you and you need to cross all the boundaries. So
I agree with what you're saying. Kabhi kabar, you know, on a road when you're going down, you run out of energy, you run out of steam, circumstances come in the way. 80% of the boundaries are self-made. And I tell you one more thing, and again I talk about this as a culture. As a culture, our ability as risk-taking is much less than other cultures. Okay? If you go to the Western culture or whatever, etc., their risk-taking ability is a lot more. वो कुछ भी करने को तैयार हो जाते हैं. It's not a good thing or a bad thing. So, these boundaries and restrictions that you feel halfway down the path and suddenly say, यार नहीं हो रहा. इसमें से you will genuinely find that 80% are of your own making. First, put those aside. अपने अंदर के doubts को अलग करो. Then look at genuine issues. If genuine issues are, this thing is taking so much time that I'm not being able to concentrate on what is my current profession, you need to make a hard choice. And again I keep saying, we are very difficult at making hard choices. मैं जब कॉलेज में था, मैं गाता भी था, मैं डिबेट भी करता था, मैं ड्रामेटिक्स भी करता था, मुझे क्रिकेट भी खेलने का शौक था. मैं पहले दिन क्रिकेट की पिच पे पहुंचा, मैंने देखा 15 लोग जो मुझसे कहीं ज्यादा अच्छे थे. I gave it up that day. Singing, I like singing, I still sing for my friends, but I realize that professionally, whenever I'm with my big singing friends in Bollywood, etc., they're 100 times better. I gave it up. But in public speaking and stage, I realized that is my strength and I followed it. So very quickly make an assessment, okay, am I just about good? As I said, passion, profession, hobby, क्या है? किस level का है? वो कहीं ना कहीं पर ठोक बजा के check करना बहुत जरूरी होता है. You know? And if you're running out of steam, frankly, when you run out of steam, your biggest supporters are your friends and your family. They are also very honest sometimes. So ask your friends to do an honest assessment. It's important. Because everybody believes कि उससे अच्छा कोई नहीं गाता है. You know? Everybody thinks that they're the best. हर माँ को लगता है उसका बच्चा सबसे अच्छा है. Right? But your friends can sometimes be a little more honest and tell you. Start with that premise. Yeah?
Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot everyone for asking questions. Roshan, you wanted to play something through your mobile?
I just want to, if I can, let me see if I can just play one little piece for you all because I wanted to play, I built this playlist and guys, I'll just play this, so I'm playing something which, is the audio on?
Do not go gentle into that good night. Old age should burn and rave at close of day. Rage, rage against the dying of the light.
Can anyone tell me where this is from? Fabulous. Give yourself a round of applause. So this is one of my favorite quotes. Do not go gentle into the good night. There's a line in between, which I don't remember normally, but I know it is one quote. It says, do not go gentle into the good night. Rage, rage, rage against the dying of the light. So, अगर अंधेरा आ रहा है तो ये मत सोचो कि टाइम हो गया सोने का. You know, burn from within. Find that fire within. That's what's important to a great degree. And actually, I wanted to turn and say that the biggest formula for success, and I forgot that, and thank you for allowing me to do this because I remembered from here. So, you know, guys, many a times, because I'm in a creative profession, I find people who are much better at many things. I mean, I meet composers who are great, directors who are great, writers who are great, people on stage who are great. But I'll tell you one more thing which if you can do, I've seen this again with rock stars, and that's why they made me think about rock stars. You know, a great rock star, when they get on stage and somebody else picks up the guitar and comes and plays, वो जुगलबंदी करते हैं. They don't get envious. One big problem that you will find at your age is how quickly you become envious of someone else. That one looks better, that one dances better, that one is better, that one is so and so better. Try not to do that. Try to find your own internal happy space. And that's why I actually wanted to end with this, because this is a great song which all of you know, I'm sure. Do you know this? So I wanted to sing the chorus. Now you can put your hands up in the air, everyone, come on. Hands up. I want to hear you. The line is because I'm happy, right? Thank you. So stay